Hello everyone, Pacer Media Productions here. I'm here at the 4th Avenue Railroad Crossing here in Wyandotte, Michigan. I'm here to give you a tour at the 4th Avenue Railroad Crossing here in Wyandotte, Michigan. So let's get started. Here we have signal number 1. We have a Harman cantilever, and we got a Harman light bracket, and we got mixed pairs of 12 by 20 Harman LED lights and one pair of Sate-Tran 12 by 24 inch LED lights. And the dot number of the crossing of the Canadian National West Side is 8679590V. Back in 2007, when 0-2 was here, there used to be a mechanical bell on that cantilever. That has been removed a couple years ago. So up there is the original 8-inch Harman incandescent lights. So, all right, for the gate mechanism, we got a Sate-Tran base. This is a Sate-Tran Model 95 gate mechanism, and this is a General Signals Type 2 electronic bell. Alright, so now going on to the Conrail tracks. When 0-2 was here back in 2007 and 2008, there used to be mix of incandescent 8-inch lights and GRRS plastic lights. Those are gone. These signals were put in back in 2008. So here's signal number 2. It has a Sate-Tran base. Has 12 by 24 inch ball LED lights and a Sate-Tran light bracket and a General Signals Type 2 e-bell. It's starting to rain. Here's signal number 3. It has a Sate-Tran base, 12 by 24 inch ball LED lights, and a General Signals Type 2 electronic bell. Here's signal number 4. It has a Harman base. It has 12 by 24 inch Harman LEDs with Sate-Tran ball LEDs in it. Here's the emergency information. The dot number for the east side of the crossing is 5280991Y. And this signal has a Sate-Tran Type 3 electronic bell. Get on the other side of 4th Avenue. I'm gonna look for cars. Alright, so here is signal number 5. It has a Harman cantilever. It has a Harman light bracket. And we got 4 pairs of Sate-Tran 12 by 24 inch ball LED lights. Above us is probably the original Harman light bracket. It has a Sate-Tran light bracket and 4 pairs of Sate-Tran GE uniform LED lights. And this cantilever has a Sate-Tran Type 3 electronic bell. So here is the gate mechanism base. It has a WABCO base. It has a WABCO gate mechanism and Ricoh LED gate lights. So here we have here's signal number 6. We have a Sate-Tran base. We got the emergency information and 12 by 24 inch ball LED lights, and we got a General Signals Type 2 e-bell. Here's signal number 7. We got a Sate-Tran base, 12 by 24 inch ball LED lights, and a General Signals Type 2 e-bell. Here's signal number 8. It has a Satran base. It has mixture of Harman LED lights and one Western Cullen Hayes one. And this signal also has a Satran Type 3 electronic bell. So, if you guys like this video, please click the thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the Pacer Media YouTube channel for more sporting event videos and more rail fanny videos. So stay tuned.